Today we are gonna make apple chocolate milkshake. From the name and the look, our drink looks very exotic, but at the same time it's very easy to prepare. So before we start with the recipe, please subscribe to my channel. So the main ingredient for our milkshake is apple. We need one whole apple. So before we start with the recipe, nicely wash the apple and peel the apple and then only start cutting. Apple is one such fruit which is easily available in every household. Apple and chocolate combination is absolutely delicious and most of the kids love chocolate. Chocolate with a healthy fruit is a very good combination. After you peel, cut the apples into big chunks like this and put it in a mixie. Here I am taking Hershey's chocolate syrup. Add this to your apple. Add at least 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. And a big scoop of vanilla ice cream. And blend all these well. And you can see your apple and chocolate have mixed well. To this, add half a glass of milk and blend it again. Always pour milk only after the apple is become into a paste. So our yummy juice is ready. Now let's serve it in a jar. Once you prepare a yummy juice, it's equally important to serve it in a beautiful jar which attracts your kid. Here I am taking a paste of white chocolate. Apply it on your jar with the back of the spoon. It will give a nice layered appearance to your chocolate. This is simple white chocolate melted in oven for 1 minute. So after applying the white chocolate, now it's turn to put a big scoop of vanilla ice cream. You can add as many scoops as you like. Now add your milkshake. Add some sprinkle on top of it and decorate it with a cherry. Our yummy and tasty apple chocolate milkshake is ready. You can see how lovely it looks, and please do try it and serve it to your kids. So I hope you all like the recipe. It means a lot if you give a big thumbs up if you like the recipe, and like and share the recipe with your friends and family. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the red subscribe button and be a part of our family.